Good afternoon, traders. Sasha again with a quick update on AirCanada stock. What a week that was. Quick disclaimer that this is just how I see the markets. This is not a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any securities. There has been a couple of people that posted a question how far the stock can be going at this point of time, and where to find the bottom to buy in again into the. Also in this video I'm going to introduce you to two very hot stocks that actually I'm looking at this point of time. Let's start right away. You can see the red line here, and that's marked just because this area is very significant for the stock, which is a $24 area. You can see that last time we checked on a stock, the market stopped at $23.57. This is as high as we went with the stock in a recent time. That was somewhere back in June when the market was trying to rebound. The recent spike, or the last candle that you can see here, is due to pilots signing a contract with Air Canada regarding cargo. So Air Canada switching to more cargo flights. Current spike is due to that contract being signed. How far can we go with how far the Air Canada stock can go at this point in time? In order for us to predict how far market can go, we have to look at where the market stalled before. So I'm going to pull the chart a little bit backwards. In order to measure how significant the area is for the market, we have to take a look at the past, and the last time the market stalled at that area, $24, was in December 24th, 2018. Then we had another stall right here, and another area here that was very significant. So the market was not able to penetrate bottom or to go up. We had another stalling here, or consolidation at this point of at this area. Then we had another one, another one, another one, another one. So we have another consolidation right there, and another stall right here, and another stall right here. And I think you understand where I'm going with this. Okay, so if we look at all these squares or these circles that I put here, and we can see how many times market actually stopped at this area. So what's happening at this point in time and how I see it. Okay, so we had just passed that red line that I showed you here. So that's that red line that we were looking at. We can also take a look a little bit here. This is the last time market was here, and that was on June 8th on 2020. So now we actually broke out of that area. You can see here, we came to that area. We retested it once, we retested it twice, 3 times, and when finally broke out, we are very close to close the price above that area. Why $28? Why $29? I'm going to go again into the past to show you why 28 and 29. Okay, so if we look at the market here, when we were coming down, this is since March, so we were coming down, and this candle here, right there, right here, if you can see it here, okay, was on 9th of March 2020. That candle came down to the 29.03 area, went down all the way to 27, so $28. This is why I marked a 28.01, and that's where it stopped, and it pulled back above the 29 line. And whenever we are looking at the history, we are always looking at this huge moves that the market makes. So huge upside, market comes here, retests the area, falls down. You see that? Market comes back, retests $29, falls down. Market comes back, again, retests this area, falls down. You guys see the pattern? And finally, last time that we were here, market came up all the way to $29, fell down again. After the last fall, we had a market bounce at $24, where we are right now. This is a $24 area. Again, we know why this area is very important. And after that bounce, we finally broke out this area. Okay? Once we break out, we go up, we retest, we create the new area where we can bounce off, and market goes on. Okay, so this is why this 2903 area is very important. $29 area is going to be our next target. So between 28, 29, what I'm expecting for the market to do is to come down here, show us that it's strong enough that's going to bounce from that area. I want it to come down here, retest, and then take off to the next level, which is 28, $29 mark. We are waiting for the signal here at this area to show us that the market is going to be strong enough to hold this $24, and then we are off to go. And that's how I see it right now. I promised also to show you two stocks that I'm looking at right now. I'm not going to do any analysis on it. These are two stocks that I'm looking at right now, and you can see from the day they listed on NASDAQ, which is the 30th of September 2020, the market took off from $11 to $33 within 2 months period. So that's the one I'm looking at right now, Plantair Tech. And the second one would be Juma Technologies, which is a data company. And let's take a look at their market value there. So from breaking out at 28.24, which was on 23rd of November, we went from 28 to $41 in value within, well, a few days, a week time. So these are two stocks that I'm looking at right now. Very hot stocks to look at. Again, this is not an advice for anybody to buy or sell these stocks. I'm just saying that I'm looking at them and they seem to be super hot and very affordable to invest in. I'm going to end this video at this point in time. I also want to say that I want to thank you again for subscribing to my channel, and I will make more videos like this in the future. Thanks very much for watching. Take care. Bye.